सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार। कैसे हो आप लोग? पिछले सेशन में हम लोगों ने ये जो पार्ट 3 है खिलौने वाला, उसका बुक एक्सरसाइज देखा है। तो आज भी हम लोग उसी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके, इन प्रीवियस सेशन वी हैड सीन द बुक एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस लेसन खिलौने वाला। सो टुडे आल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू do the continuation of this book exercise only. Okay, come children, we'll see the book exercise of this lesson खिलौने वाला. So this खिलौने वाला कविता writer, who is the writer? हाँ, सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान. She is the writer of this poem खिलौने वाला. Okay, so we had seen up to this much in previous session. Now we are going to continue the session. तो हम लोगों ने पिछले सेशन में यहाँ तक देखा है ना बच्चों. तो आज हम लोग बाकी का जो कंटिन्यूएशन है उसको देखेंगे. ओके, चलिए देखते हैं. खेल खिलौने यानी कि गेम्स एंड टॉयज. पहला प्रश्न, क तुम यहाँ लिखे खिलौनों में से किसे लेना पसंद करोगी, क्यों? So here they had given some toy names. So which one you want to pick and why? Give the reason. Okay, so here they had given Gend. So boys are liking very much for playing cricket. Rail Gadi, so small children. Button set, girls will like this thing. Hawaii Jahaj, so this one is also like first standard or second standard children, they will like this thing. Firki yani see that lattu will be there, no, that one. And the next Dhanush Baan, bow arrow. Okay, and the next motor gadi, that remote cars or otherwise here that car. So once we are giving the pushna, it will go, no, so that one. And the next Gudiya, girls will like a lot. Dolls, Barbie dolls, they will like so much, no, that one. And the next balla, yeah, kuch or bat or otherwise some other toys. So in these, which one you want to take and give the reason. So according to me, here I give the answer. मैं रेलगाड़ी लेना पसंद करूंगी क्योंकि चलते समय इससे जो चुक चुक की आवाज निकलती है वे मुझे बेहद अच्छा लगता है. सो इन दिस लिस्ट आई वांट टू पिक रेलगाड़ी यानी कि ट्रेन टॉय. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट विल गिव द नॉइज लाइक एस चुक चुक, लाइक दैट साउंड इट विल गिव. So that sound when we are hearing at the time, it is nice sound. So that's why I am picking the रेलगाड़ी. Okay children. Next one, ख प्रश्न, तुम अपने साथियों के साथ कौन कौन से खेल खेलती हो? If your friends are there na, so what are the types of games you want to play? So I want to play badminton. Boys na, they are liking to play the cricket, football, and the next hide and seek also. After that kabaddi, kho-kho. Okay, so like these games we used to play with our friends. Okay, so that is the answer. मैं अपने साथियों के साथ कबड्डी, लुका छिपी यानी हाइड एंड सीक, खो खो, सो ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड, बैडमिंटन आदि खेल खेलती हूँ. So all the members, and here they were not mentioned about football. So if you want to write now, you can write. Okay children. So these games and all we are playing with our friends. Okay. So come, we'll see the next one. Second question. खिलौना वाला शब्द संज्ञा में वाला जोड़ने से बना है. So खिलौना, actually that one is toy. When we are adding wala at that time only, the संज्ञा, this one it became noun word. Okay. नीचे लिखे वाक्यों में रेखांकित हिस्सों को ध्यान से देखो. Down they had given some sentences. In that underlined words are there, no, that one just you observe. और संज्ञा क्रिया आदि पहचानो. After that what we have to do now, we have to identify which one is the noun and which one is the verb. Okay, so action words are calling verb, क्रिया. ठीक है, और नाम वाले जो शब्द है उनको हम लोग कहते हैं संज्ञा. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द नेम्स वी आर हैविंग, लाइक खिलौना मीन्स टॉय, that one is a thing. Okay, so that one is also noun. So when we are adding wala, which means toy seller, it became. So that one is also noun only. Like that, he is asking in down sentences, below the sentences, what the in that sentences. So which words had given, that one he was underlined. After that he is asking, so sanya or kriya, adi pehchano. So in that he is asking to identify the noun words and the next verbs. So come, we'll see first one. पान वाले की दुकान आज बंद है. So पान वाले की दुकान. So here already they had given wala, wale. It comes now. That one is sanya. So here only pan. Pan means everybody knows, no? So pan. This one is the sanya. Okay. Like that only. मेरी दिल्ली वाली मौसी बस कंडक्टर है. So here Dilli Wali. If we are removing Wali, so this one it became Dilli, which means place of the name of the place. Okay, so name of the place is also we are calling noun only, no? संज्ञा ही कहा जाता है ना? So Dilli is the संज्ञा. ठीक है बच्चों, पान संज्ञा होता है, दिल्ली संज्ञा होती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट. महमूद 5 बजे वाली बस से आएगा. सो महमूद ही विल कम एट 5 o'clock बस. ओके, तो महमूद 5 बजे वाली. इफ वी आर टेकिंग 5 बजे, सो दिस 5 बजे वाली, इफ वी आर रिमूविंग वाली, 5 बजे. सो हियर 5 which means number. So when number comes now, this one is what? When number is there, have you all remembered? So previously in grammar, I had taught so many times that thing. Yes, if the number comes now, that one it becomes the Sankhya-vachak Sanya. Sorry, Sankhya-vachak Visheshan. Okay, so here number 5 number came. So which means this one is the Visheshan or not? Yes, this one is the adjective. Next, he asked to find only in the underlined words only. Okay, so no need to go for Mahmud. Next, like that only. नंदू को बोलने वाली गुड़िया चाहिए. So here नंदू को, so नंदू he wants, बोलने वाली, talking toy he want, talking doll he want. Okay, talking is what? That one is a sanya? No, that one is a noun. No, so that one is a verb. Talking verb, no? So बोलना is a क्रिया. यहाँ पर बोलना शब्द है, वो क्रिया हो गया है. नेक्स्ट, दाढ़ी वाला आदमी कहाँ है? सो हियर दाढ़ी वाला. इफ यू आर रिमूविंग वाला, दाढ़ी, that means bad. Okay, so that दाढ़ी it comes under the sanya, noun. So this दाढ़ी is the sanya. Like that only. इस सामान को ऊपर वाले कमरे में रख दो. So इस सामान को ऊपर वाले. So these things all are keep it on the upper floor room. Okay, कमरे में रख दो. Okay, so here see ऊपर वाले. So if we are taking ऊपर word, this one it became kriya only. You keep it on up, no? So that one is keep it on up. So which means that one is a verb. Okay, which means kriya विशेषण. Okay, next, मैं रात वाली गाड़ी से जम्मू जाऊंगी. I'll go night train to Jammu. Okay, so here रात वाली. If we are removing वाली, रात only is there. रात means what? Night. Night is a noun or not? Yes, noun. तो ये जो रात हो गया है संज्ञा. Okay, children. So in the first sentence, again I am repeating pan wale. If we are removing wale, at that time it became pan. Okay, pan means everybody knows, no? So that pan is the sanya. Like that only. Dilli wala. So here Dilli wali. If we are removing wali, na Dilli is there. Dilli is the name of the place, which means this one is also noun only, sanya. वैसे ही महमूद 5 बजे वाली. So if we are removing wali, so here what is left? 5 baje. 5, which means that one is a viseshan. Okay, so sankhya-vachak viseshan. So here we can write only viseshan. Like that only. Nandu ko bolne wali. So here bolna, which means talking. Talking means what? That one is a verb. So kriya. Next, dadi wala. So wala if we are removing means dadi. Okay, so dadi is a sanya noun. Like that only upar wale. So if we are removing wale at the time it became upar. Okay, so this word it comes under the kriya viseshan. Like that only here see raat wali. If we are removing wali, only raat is there. So raat means that one is night. So this one is also noun only. Okay, sanya. So here answer I had given pan, sanya. Delhi, sanya. पांच इज द विशेषण, बोलना इज द क्रिया. वैसे ही दाढ़ी जो है वो है संज्ञा, उसके बाद ऊपर जो है क्रिया विशेषण, रात संज्ञा. ओके, सो जस्ट यू circle this thing. Those who are having the books, please circle this thing and here you write that sanya. Okay, like that only here Delhi alone you circle it and write sanya. Panch circle it and write visheshan. बोलने सर्कल एंड राइट क्रिया. दाढ़ी सर्कल राइट संज्ञा. ऊपर क्रिया विशेषण, रात संज्ञा. ठीक है बच्चों. सो लाइक दिस वी हैव टू राइट. सो कम विल सी द नेक्स्ट वन. तुम्हारी रामलीला. क्या तुमने रामलीला देखी है? हैव यू ऑल seen or otherwise read the story of रामलीला. रामलीला की किसी एक लघु कहानी को चुनकर कक्षा में अपनी रामलीला प्रस्तुत करो. So what you have to do? You have to take the Ramlila book. In that so many stories they have given. In that any one story you make it short. Okay. After that you select that story which one you are liking. After that you give the performance in the class. Okay, so this one you have to do your own, but here I am telling take the Ramlila book. In that any one story you select and you read. Which one you are liking, that one you tell to me. Okay, next kavita mein katha. So in that kavita story, what is the story is there? इस कविता में 3 नाम. So actually in this poem main 3 names are came. Okay, so what are that names? Have you all remembered? Yes, one is Ram, another one is Kaushalya and Tadka. These are the names are came in the poem. Okay, so here Ram, Kaushalya और Tadka आए हैं. So in this poem Ram and the next Kaushalya, after that Tadka. These 3 names came in the poem. So he is asking the question, ये तीनों नाम किस प्रसिद्ध कथा के पात्र है? So these 3 names. Okay, in which story these 3 names are famous? Okay, so in which story? In Mahabharata only, no? Is it right or not? Have you all having any doubt? कौशल्या जो है वो है राम की माता और ताड़का जो है भगवान श्री राम जब वनवास में थे तो तब वो ताड़का राक्षस को ही मारा था, उनका ही वध किया था. ओके, सो दिस 3 नेम्स आर केम इन द रामायण. ओके, सो दिस 3 नेम्स आर इन द रामायण. नेक्स्ट ख. यही रहूंगा कौशल्या में, तुमको यही बनाऊंगा. इन पंक्तियों का कथा से क्या संबंध है? सो ही इज आस्किंग. सो हियर ओनली आई वांट टू बी हियर कौशल्या. ओके, तुमको यही बनाऊंगा. आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू मेक यू हियर ओनली. इन पंक्तियों का कथा से क्या संबंध है? व्हाट इज द रिलेशन between those lines and the next that story? in that story, that poem, in that poem story is there, no? So what is the relation in between? So why he used this line there? नेक्स्ट ग, इस कथा के कुछ संदर्भों की बात कविता में हुई है, अपने आसपास पूछकर इनका पता लगाओ. So some stories or some incidents was happened in that kavita. What some lines had given, no? In that some incidents are happened. So just to find it, in which stories it was happened, just to ask your neighbors, ask your family members, or otherwise your friends. So first one, तपस्वी यज्ञ करेंगे, असुरों को मैं मार भगाऊंगा. So tapasvis are they are doing tapasya. At the time I am what I am going to do, I am going to kill the monsters, like that the boy was said. So this one is one incident. Next one, तुम कह दोगी वन जाने को हंसते हंसते जाऊंगा. If you are telling to go to the forest, at the time I will give the smile and I will go to the forest also, like that boy was said to the mother. So these two, in which story it came? So here they had given these two incidents, no? In which story it came? Mahabharata or Ramayana? So in Ramayana only these two incidents are happened. Okay. Now come we'll see the answers. चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं उत्तर को. So पहला प्रश्न क्या है? ये तीनों नाम किस प्रसिद्ध कथा के पात्र है? So these Ram, Kaushalya और ताड़का, in which story this one is? These names are famous. So we'll see. राम, कौशल्या और ताड़का, ये तीनों नाम रामायण की प्रसिद्ध कथा के पात्र है. So these three characters are there in the Ramayana. So these three characters are famous in the Ramayana. Next. यही रहूंगा कौशल्या मैं, तुमको यही बनाऊंगा. इन पंक्तियों का कथा से क्या संबंध है? So for that, बालक स्वयं को राम और अपनी माँ को कौशल्या के रूप में देखता है. So when that boy he is telling at the time, he thought, no, you only imagine mama which toy I want to take. I want to take bow and arrow, like that he said, and I want to go to the forest like Ram. How the Ram was killed, Tadka, like that only. If I am going in the forest na, there tapasvis are doing tapasya. The monsters, if they are disturbing na, I'll kill the monsters, like that the boy said, no? At the time he was imagined, he is in the place of Ram and his mother, she is, he thought, he imagined like as his mother, she is a Kaushalya, like that he was imagined. लेकिन वे राम की तरह वन जाने को तैयार नहीं है. But how the Ram, which means that Bhagwan Shri Ram, that Dashrad Maharaj, when he said to go to the forest, so he was obeyed and he went to the forest. But here in this poem, that boy, he was not yet ready to go to the forest, बल्कि माँ कौशल्या के पास घर में रहना चाहता है. Anyhow, he want to be with his mother only. Okay, so with his mother in the home only he want to be. Next one, have you all understood, children? Yes. Next, इस कथा के कुछ संदर्भों की बात कविता में हुई है, अपने आसपास पूछकर इनका पता लगाओ. So these incidents was some incidents had given it that was mentioned in the poem. So in which story it is there, just to find out with your neighbors or your friends. Okay. So वन में तपस्या करने वाले ऋषि मुनियों को राक्षस परेशान करते थे. So when in the olden days these rishis, saints are doing tapasya in the forest, at the time these monsters are there, no, they are doing so much disturbance. Okay, so at the time they got very much worried, उनकी शांति भंग करते थे. So when they are doing tapasya, at the time always they are disturbing. राम ने उन राक्षसों का वध किया. At the time Ram, he came to the forest, no, he started killing the monsters. जिसके बाद से वे फिर से शांतिपूर्वक तपस्या करने लगे. After that everyone are very quietly, very peacefully they started doing the tapasya. नेक्स्ट वन, राम ने अपने माता पिता के आदेश पर एक आज्ञाकारी पुत्र की भांति 14 वर्ष के लिए वन जाना स्वीकार कर लिया. So everyone knows when the Dashrad, already I told, no, so when the father and mother was said to go to the forest for 14 years, at the time he was accepted and he went to the forest. So these two things was happened in the Ramayana. Okay children, so this is the exercise of this lesson. Okay, so this one alone, which one? This one alone, you just to circle it and write the C and write the answers in your book in the pencil. Okay, with the pencil you write it. Okay children, so in the next session we'll see the another lesson, or otherwise we will start the grammar. Okay, so हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में. हम लोग ज्यादा तक व्याकरण को ही देखेंगे. ओके बच्चों, ठीक है. चलिए एक बार इसको आप लोग देख लीजिए, और जिनके पास किताब है वो सब लोग पेंसिल से लिख लीजिए. ओके बच्चों, ठीक है. हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. धन्यवाद बच्चों. हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में. विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद.